Okay, Wildcat, say we're in the journal page 39, solving quadratic inequalities. Conjunction equals connected equals and. A conjunction is a compound statement formed by joining two statements with the connector and. When the expression is less than, the solution looks like this. When it's less than, the solution looks like this. The solution could also be no solution. Disjunction equals disconnected equals or. A disjunction is a compound statement formed by joining two statements with a connector or. So when it's greater than a number, the solution looks like this. When it's greater than or equal to a number, the solution looks like this. The solution also could be all real numbers. Solve quadratic inequalities by graphing steps. Step 1, graph the right side. Step 2, graph the left side. Step 3, identify the solution is above or below. Step 4, identify it is an and or an or statement. Write the solution to the inequality. All right, let's take a look at first example. Okay, so I know in the notes to say to graph the right side, but let's go ahead and graph, or the left side first, but let's go ahead and graph the right side first. Let's graph the 1. Okay, now let's go to Desmos, and let's graph x squared plus x minus 5 and y equals 1. And then the points for the parabola, let's use the points of intersection and the vertex. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and graph those points. Now, since there's no line, the lines that intersect are open circles, so negative 3, 1. The vertex is negative 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So about right there. And then 2, 1. Okay. Now, we want when it's greater than, so it's greater than the line here and here. So connecting that would be negative 3, 1, 2, 3. So negative 3, open circle, and then 2, open circle, and then we're shading to the left and right. So our solution is x less than negative 3 or x greater than 2. All right, go ahead and finish up example number 1. Let's take a look at example 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph the 4 first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then now let's go to Desmos. So 3x squared minus 3x minus 2, and then y equals 4. So let's go ahead and use these 3 points. All right. So now, since there's a line underneath, it's closed circle. So negative 1, 4, 0.5, negative 2.75, which is about right there, and then 2, 4. There's a parabola. Now it wants to know when it's less than. So, and this is less than right here. So, connecting that to our number line, that's negative 1, close circle here, and 2, close circle, and it's between. So, that's negative 1, less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. All right, go ahead and finish up example 2. All right, example 3. So let's go and graph 7. Okay, and then let's go ahead and graph x squared minus 2x and y equals 7. Let's go and get our points. All right. Now, there's no line underneath, so they're going to be open circles. So negative 1.8, which is about here, 7. 1, negative 1 is right here. 3.8, 1, 2, 3.8, 7 is right here. Okay, connecting that. 1.8 is right here. Open circle. 3.8, 1, 2, 3.8. Open circle. Now it wants to know when it's less than. Well, it's less than right here. So you shade between. So that's 1.8, or negative 1.8, sorry, less than x less than 3.8. All right, go ahead and finish up example 3. All right, take a look at example 4. Now let's go ahead and graph the negative 2x first. All right, and so, actually, you know what? I think we can just graph them both at the same time. X squared minus 6x and negative 2x. So let's go ahead and draw this line first at 0, 0, 4, negative 8. So 0, 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, zoom out as much as I can here. All right, now let's go ahead and graph the parabola. Okay, so we have already 2 points we can use, and let's get the vertex 3, negative 9. All right, now these are going to be closed circles because there's a line underneath. So 0, 0, 3, 1, 2, 3, negative 9, 4, negative 8 right here. Now, we want to know when it's greater than the line, so above the line. So we're looking at here and here. So connecting that to the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are closed circles at this point. And now we're shading to the left and to the right. Okay, so our inequality is x less than or equal to 0 or x is greater than or equal to 4. All right, go ahead and finish up example 4. Start working on your assignment and have a wonderful Wildcat day.